In this video, I'll show you how to sync Jira with Trello. First, open Trello and log into your account. Then open the board you want to connect with Jira. This could be a project board, support board, product roadmap, or any board where your team tracks work. Next, open the board menu and go to Power-Ups. In the search bar, type Jira and look for the Jira Cloud Power-Up. Click Add to enable it on your Trello board. After adding the Power-Up, connect your Jira account. Trello will ask you to log in with your Atlassian account and approve the connection. Review the permissions carefully, then allow access. Once Jira is connected, open a Trello card. You should now see a Jira option on the card. From here, you can attach an existing Jira issue or create a new Jira issue directly from Trello. To attach an existing issue, search for the Jira ticket by issue key or title, then link it to the Trello card. This helps your team see related Jira work without leaving Trello. To create a new Jira issue from Trello, choose the Jira project, issue type, summary, and description. After creating it, the Jira issue will be connected to the Trello card. Now your team can track Jira issue details from Trello, such as status, issue key, and updates, depending on the integration settings. For better organization, use clear Trello card names and match them with Jira issue summaries. This makes it easier to understand which card belongs to which ticket. If you need deeper two-way syncing, such as automatically copying status changes, comments, or fields between Jira and Trello, you may need an automation tool like Zapier, Make.com, Unito, or Atlassian Automation, depending on your workflow. Always test the connection with one card first before syncing important project work. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.